In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated text videos in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser. If you're new to the platform, the homepage will show a search bar and a big Create a Design button. Click Create a Design, then choose Video. This gives you a blank video canvas with the right settings for exporting later. Next, set your background. You can keep it clean and simple with a plain color or head to elements, and search for textures, gradients, shapes, or subtle patterns. Pick something that complements your message and keeps your text readable. High contrast works best. Think light text on a dark background or the other way around. Now add your text. Go to Text, choose a text style you like, and type your title. You can adjust size, color, and alignment so it's clear and easy to read. If you're making a title card, make it bold and centered. Keep your wording concise so viewers can absorb it quickly. Select your text and click Animate. This opens Canva's text animation options like typewriter, bounce, pop, or fade. Choose a style that matches your tone. Typewriter is great for storytelling, bounce is playful, pop grabs attention, and fade is subtle and elegant. Try a few to see what feels right. Use the speed slider to fine-tune how fast the animation plays. A slower speed can feel cinematic, while a faster speed adds energy. Aim for a pace that gives viewers enough time to read comfortably. If you want more scenes, duplicate the page. This is a quick way to maintain consistent design. On each duplicated page, change the text to build your full sequence. Think of it like slides in a presentation. Keep each page focused on one point so your message flows clearly. To add music, go to Audio and choose a track that fits your vibe. Upbeat for promos, ambient for explainers. Music adds polish and sets the mood without distracting from the text. Adjust the timing by clicking each page and setting its duration. Match the duration to the amount of text and the beat of your music. Shorter pages speed things up, longer ones give viewers time to read. Preview everything by clicking Play. Watch for pacing, readability, and how the animations feel together. Make small tweaks until it looks smooth. When you're happy, click Share, then Download and choose MP4 video. MP4 is widely compatible and perfect for sharing on social platforms. And that's it. That's how you create animated text videos in Canva. Thanks for watching.